What's up, baby dears? Today our goal is to unpack this 2018 Topps MLS Blackster box. This blaster costs $20 plus tax, and there should be one auto inside, although with this Topps blasters often they write that there's one auto guaranteed, but you don't get an auto. It's actually pretty common in both Topps soccer and baseball products, and then some blasters will have like two autos. I don't know what's some UFO peed on his hair or what's going on here. Yeah, like very up-to-date rosters from Topps. Göran Mofsesian started this season in Djurgården in Sweden, but still in this said. Andre Blake, an awkward and goofy goalkeeper. Nick Lima, I wonder if he's from Peru. No, from California. Daniel Royer. Graham Zusi, a long-time US international, and Bastian Schweinsteiger, world champion from 2014. What's interesting about these blasters is that there are red base parallels number to 10, which you can only get either from these blasters or retail boxes. They are not in regular hobby product. David Ostedt. New England Revolution, Romney, Real Salt Lake celebrating something, New York City FC. Yeah, I occasionally go to this New York City FC games because it's the most convenient team for me to get to, and their tactic is pretty straightforward: ball to Villa, and then we'll see what he can do. Dominic Badji, actually one of the best players in terms of his value. His salary is really low, but he scores a lot. I think he just scored the first hat trick of Colorado in 7 years or something like that. DeMarcus Beasley from Houston Dynamo, Columbus. That's actually like Felipe Higuain, the brother of Gonzalo Higuain. What's really interesting about him is that his auto from 2017 MLS Stadium Club by Topps recently sold on eBay for something like $330. I think even Gonzalo Higuain's autos don't sell for that much. Joseph Lin Nguyen, Colorado Rapids, and a blue parallel of Nemanja Nikolic. Interesting player. His father is Serbian, mother is from Hungary, so he played a lot. He played in Hungary and then played in Poland, and from Poland he came to MLS, and as you can see, one of the most productive players, 24. Juan Agudelo, DeMarcus Beasley, I think I already got his All-Star insert. Oh, and that's, I think, a retro Topps 1988 baseball design of Kelly Acosta and Hernan and Jordi Reina, Shkeusen Gashi, a Swiss player of Albanian origin, Miguel Almiron, and actually the auto is blue auto. Number 250, I think. No, it's actually blue auto number 225 of Taylor Camp. A low numbered auto, but yeah, Camps, there are like the Topps has flooded the market with Camps autos, so not in a huge demand. Matt Poster and Diego Rubio, I think a Chilean player, from Santiago, Chile. I think he used to play for Valparaiso in Chile and now in MLS. So overall, pretty decent blaster. This Nikolic numbered 299 and Taylor Camp numbered 225.